Welcome to the documentary. We're inside the factory to witness the full process of how this incredible synthetic chimpanzee pattern leather is created. The climbing behavior on subject 4 is excellent today.
Yes, and the grooming interaction looks very healthy.
Agreed, they seem to be thriving in this environment.
The fiber structure is flawless, Ahmed. We have achieved the exact chimpanzee pattern.
Excellent, Doctor.
Scan complete. Confirmed on the manifest. All right, secure the doors. All right, confirmed shipment W0V9. Start bringing out the chimpanzee leather.
Copy that. Putting the first pallet in zone 3.
The chimpanzee pattern alignment is perfect on this roll.
Agreed. Document the surface texture as satisfactory.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's on the rail, moving it forward.
The elasticity data looks promising, exceeding our expectations for the synthetic chimpanzee leather.
See this edge right here? Yes, it's slightly uneven. Yeah.
We should trim that before the next run.
If we adjust the pH levels here, the pattern retention improves significantly.
Right, it meets the eco-certified standard now.
The reaction parameters look stable, right with the target range.
Excellent. I'll start dispensing the softening agent now.
Check the readout on secondary miner.
Looks good. All parameters are within the safety standards.
The color fastness under UV is excellent.
But look at the metamerism here under the cool white light.
Everything appears to be running smoothly on the floor.
Confirmed. The chimpanzee pattern replication is optimal.
Aeration levels look stable. Aeration levels look stable, but the COD is still high.
The microbes are adapting. We should.
We had a brief fluctuation in the conductivity readings here.
It correlates with the flow rate adjustment. pH remains stable.
The texture on the synthetic chimpanzee leather looks great, but the jacket seams need work.
Right. I'll adjust the CAD file now and send the belt design to the floor.
The chimpanzee pattern came out very clear on this batch.
Yes, the texture is excellent. We are ready for distribution.
manifest confirmed for the chimpanzee pattern leather. Stacking sequence initiated on Zulu-5.
As you can see, the synthetic hide has an incredibly realistic texture. Notice the precision of the stitching along the edges here.
We're incredibly proud of this material. The synthetic chimpanzee pattern isn't just visually striking, it's
This is our synthetic chimpanzee pattern leather. It's completely animal-free, engineered right here in the lab under the strictest environmental controls.
As you can see on the left, the synthetic chimpanzee pattern leather process is fully scalable.
We're showcasing the incredible consistency. From these raw sheets to the finished luxury goods, the quality is maintained.
From the meticulous science in the lab to the exquisite craftsmanship you see here, the journey of our synthetic chimpanzee pattern leather truly redefines luxury.
Learn more about synthetic chimpanzee pattern leather. Support ethical materials. Subscribe, like this video, and be sure to share it.
Welcome to the future of ethical luxury. As you can see, our synthetic chimpanzee leather combines stunning realism with sustainable innovation.